how to change your front brake pads in a 1993 to 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So once you've got the wheel off and you have the car on jack stands, the first step is to use a 3/8 hex bit socket to remove the two bolts on the caliper. I'm using the breaker bar first with my hex bit socket. Now I'm going to use my socket and ratchet. With the bolts out, the next step is to remove the caliper. With the caliper out, we can remove the outside brake pad. We want to leave the inside brake pad in here so I can use a C-clamp to push the piston into the caliper. This will give us room for the new pads. Use a C-clamp with the old brake pad to push the piston back into the caliper. With the piston pushed back into the caliper, we can move the C-clamp and remove this old brake pad. The new brake pads come with clips, so I'm going to install the clip onto the new brake pad the same way that it's on the old pad. I'm also going to put a little bit of caliper grease on the back of the brake pad to help prevent squeaking. With the new brake pads in and the caliper on, you can reinsert the two bolts. The next step is to use the hex bit socket and a ratchet again to tighten down the two bolts. Remember to pump the brakes before you drive, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.